You may want to hide the number of likes or reactions on your post or on other people's posts. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to hide likes on Facebook. Without further ado, let's get started. Now let's head on straight to the Facebook app right here. And if you're still not on the menu page, let's click on this menu icon or the 3-bar line icon at the bottom right hand corner. And from here, click on Settings and Privacy, and this drop-down menu should appear. So just click on Settings. And from here, under the Preferences section, you should be able to see the Reaction Preferences option. So tap on that. And you can then hide the number of reactions onto conditions. So first, you can hide the number of reactions on posts from others. So on this option, you won't see the total number of reactions for posts others shared to newsfeed, pages, and groups. So if you want to hide the number of reactions on others' posts, you can then turn the toggle button on. So for example, it is currently turned off on your side like that. Just click on this toggle button right here to have it turn green. Now the other one is to hide the number of reactions on your posts so other people won't see the total number of reactions under posts you share to your profile. So just click on the toggle button once again if that is still not turned on. So that is how you can basically hide likes on Facebook. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.